everyone, Kayla here, and this is What the Kink, a natural hair channel where I share my personal hair journey and tips, tricks, and product reviews to help you with your own. So if any of that sounds interesting, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and tap the bell for notifications. Y'all, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to dress up your wash and go, give it a little bit of a look for the holiday season, okay? Because a girl like me, I wear wash and go year round, okay? I am not the person that all of a sudden brings out the straight hair and the super curly cute curls for the holiday. I just don't do that because first of all, I haven't worn my hair straight in years. It's just not a look that I'm really into anymore. And second of all, because the curls, they take effort, right? And wash and go does not. Okay? But sometimes you get into the mood where you feel like, I want my wash and go to look a little, a differenter than it normally looks because I'm going to some sort of celebration or some sort of shindig, right? So, I thought, well, what could you do, that would be extra without being extra, you know what I'm saying? And so I decided to get some hair accessories. And so we're gonna kind of play around with them because if you've been living on a rock, let me clue you in. These hair clips and pins and whatever are more in than they have ever been in before, okay? Okay, so first thing I did with my hair is I created like a, what do you call it? A canvas, if you will. So I took this portion of my hair here, I spray a little bit of water, brush it down. No, I don't gel or slick my edges. I don't even own edge control. So if you are into that, you do you. I ain't telling you to not edge control like me, but you do you. So I brushed it down and then I pinned it. Let's see if I can reveal all what's going on back here and then show up. I pinned it right here. And then it kind of stuck out a little awkwardly, and so I did a second pin just like maybe an inch later behind it to further mold it and lay it down against my head. And then I took the hair from the back and just pushed it forward and zhuzhed it over, and that's to create this canvas where I can kind of play around and add clips and do little things like that, okay? Now listen, if you are someone who is like me and you're really plain Jane most of the time, this right here could be a look. And you done. It's a look, right? Or if you have an outfit that's just kind of hard to match anything with, or you just kind of like, I really don't know what to wear with this outfit, I'm just gonna wear it plain like this, you could do that as well. But anyway, so I picked up some hair accessories to help me with this. I got the packaging all discombobulated, but these are from a brand called Hairology. And I picked it up from Ulta. And they have like some kind of typing here, like type E, type C, full and thick, medium. I think it's supposed to be like hair accessories that you can purchase based off of your hair type. But I don't ever pay any of that any mind because I'm only holding back a small portion of my hair. Like I'm not using these clips to do like my whole head or anything like that. Like I'm not doing that, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, let me tell you what I got. Let me show you how I am gonna use these to kind of give me that holiday look. So first of all, on the one that had nothing on it, there were these clips, okay? Anybody who's around the age of me, and I am, what, I guess a middle-aged millennial, because I'm not on the oldest end of the spectrum, but I'm kind of, in between. I'm 29 years old. I'm a couple months from 30, actually. My birthday's at the beginning of the new year. Okay, but yeah, I'm almost 30 years old, and I remember in the early 2000s that these clips, sis, this is early 2000s, this and the butterfly clips, and also anything clear or jelly, that was in, okay, and they back like they never left, sis, full strength, okay? So this one is a nude color. I feel like nude is in metallic, and pearl is very, very like holiday to me. Fancy to me, going somewhere to me. And then this one is a pearl off-white color. So I felt like you could get in here with these, and I don't like to clip them right here on my hairline because it looks like I have sectioning clips and I forgot to take it out. But girl, you come in here with this, slide in like here, and I'm about to do two at an angle like this. Oh my God, childhood resurrect. I love it. I feel like it's a look. It's a look. It's a look. You could also do just one. So I'm gonna take this one because this one looks better with the shirt I'm wearing today. And you kind of center it a little bit. I kind of like them down, and I don't like it on my hairline. right, so the next thing that I'm kind of playing with for the holiday season are these full and thick clips. I've taken 2 off of here, so let me show you like up close what they are. So the ones I've taken off, let me just show you these. This one's rose gold. It's a really big clip, just so you can get comparatively how big it is. Then this one is silver. Like I told you guys earlier, I think metallic is holiday season all the way. And then on here, they have, you got 2 of each. So 2 golds, and then it would have been 2 silvers and 2 rose golds, but I have removed those 2. So these are really, really big, and I feel like they kind of like hug the side of my head. So what I did when I was playing around with them, so I took it and I put it in my hair like this. It's kind of meeting my other clip. All right, that was the rose gold. And you can just kind of put it back there in the back. And it's real subtle. I don't really think it pops out too much. It's a little subtle, little something. Little something. Yes. Even someone who doesn't do too many accessories like me can do this. And then, of course, mix and match, double up. You know how they doing right now. Depending on your outfit. Pop another one. Trying to get it behind my ear, though. Because we don't want to stick it out. That's so cute. That is so cute. Now I haven't taken the gold out, which gold would probably be very easily holiday. So let me remove a gold. This is the first time putting gold in my hair. Because y'all know I actually did all this stuff to my hair before I even filmed. Because I want to see what this stuff look like before I come on the camera with y'all. But the gold I had not taken out of the package, so. You got the 3-way. Super cute. Super cute. Yes, 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 yes. So I'm actually going to wear my hair in a puff the rest of the week because this wash and go went to St. Augustine on a boat ride to see the Christmas lights, and I'm going to Tampa, and I want my hair to be done closer to my Tampa trip. Or not trip, we just going down there to go to a show. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my hair in a puff, and then I'm going to like accessorize with these up the back of my head because I just think that that is going to be so cute. So I will come back and show you guys that too, because it's also kind of a holiday look, because like, you know, metallics, they just make me feel festive. So this is me for the rest of the week. This week I put them here on the side as kind of like a peek through situation. They peek through the curls just a little bit, because look, when your hair is the same length as mine, listen sis, you can't really have no puff that's like up here and like, you know, Natural 85 released that video, and I have a video where I kind of faux bun it so it looks like a kind of puff situation. But honestly, now these days I ain't worried about it. I just wear this little mop that's a puff. Okay, I have embraced the mop, honey. But anyway, I hope you guys are inspired to get it's holiday. Christmas time is here. Okay?